Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why it has a grill on the box. When I was boxing stuff up yesterday, I wasn't looking more. Not the best of house though.
How much for these bits, please?
£1.
A pound? All
I
right.
just need to screw them back on.
Let's see.
I unscrewed it to get in the box.
Good idea. There we go. Thank you very much.
Fired a bait, is it in a pound, right? That's your rubbish net. Not for about to go. Float some dark on it.
No film in it. I think it's just the battery pack.
Five Harris.
No, it's got a roll in there, yeah. Right. It's it's just stuck in there. Ta-da. Right, $5 you said. All right.
Fishing gear then? I've got quite a lot. Yeah, I bought a lot last year. Yeah, last year. But yeah, it's just
Here you go, mate.
Not today. Not today, no. Where's that big chap? What's his name? Silverback. Neil. Silverback.
Oh, what do we got? Jim Reeves. He's everywhere. How much for this?
It goes with these two.
Oh, right,
It's
okay.
a coffee grinder.
Yeah, yeah.
And these are the matching cups.
Right. Would you be willing to separate? Because I don't need the cups. I got more than I can fit in my cabinets.
Yeah, I'll take a couple of quid on the grinder then.
All right.
Yeah, they say it's only £3. They all.
Yeah, I just literally have more than we can fit in there. There we go. But I lost the lid to my grinder, so
Alright.
oh, it's probably cheaper than ordering a new lid. Thank you. Kung Fu hamster. Control pad. How much you asking on your controllers?
£2 each on those.
£2 each. Oop, if I can get it untangled. Let's see. I don't think I have enough shrapnel. Can you break a 10?
I can, yeah. Lovely.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers.
Look at this doggy. Kind of like Molly.
I know, it does.
How much are all your dogs? Let's see.
But they're basically a £5.
Okay. Let's see. Look at this one. Jen would be like, what are we gonna do with that?
It's weird. We're in the living room next to the real dog.
Next to the real dog. Yeah, she knocks it over chasing the cats.
Girl, there's that.
Let me see. Ooh, decisions. I know, right?
Was it you guys that bought that tiger head off me?
Child, yes.
Oh yeah, was
Remember
you?
the accents? Yeah.
I absolutely love it.
Yeah, so did I.
It is one of the most things I've ever purchased, I think. I was like,
Oh yeah, just couldn't stop talking about it.
oh, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. Even my husband was like, okay, that's cool. I was like, see?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we liked it, didn't we? But we're not really pottery
That's the thing.
people, are we?
That's the thing. It's cool.
But we live in the little stone park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'll take this one.
we live in like a house.
If the color was closer to Molly, I would defo go for it. There we go.
Lovely, thanks.
Yeah. She's like a lot redder.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a bit ginger.
But that dog is so cute, bro. Oh my gosh.
How much are your records?
Different prices.
Okay. Like how much is Culture Club?
That's £2.
£2. Let me put that aside and I'll check that out in a minute. I'll take this then. How much is your Furby? Guy wants £20 for original Furby, which they go for good money, but it's in rough shape.
Is it?
Yeah.
Over here, there's some, if you look at the Christmas page, there's a series of Santa and
Always get a crack. How much for this doggy?
That's nothing special, I don't think. It probably is, but 50p.
50p
Is it
then.
Bonzo?
I don't know. I just know it holds eyeglasses.
It what?
They hold eyeglasses.
How does it do?
Like, well, forgive me, my dog's chewed mine.
Oh!
But just like
well,
that.
You know that. I didn't. I've learnt something.
Take 25p on one.
No, the 50p.
What if you want? Oh, is it 50?
The 50p's fall for £1.
No, I don't need for that in thing.
Well, no, I won't do that. That's the offer, you see. 'Cause that is definitely worth 50.
Okay, I'll have it 50. I don't need
Is
it.
it
No
for
point
your dog?
taking stuff home, no, for my son. He's into this. So.
Yeah.
There's no point taking things you don't need, do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So, like, it's pointless.
No, but that is worth 50p.
Yeah, okay.
It's
Here you
a
go.
good one. Thank you, but
Thanks.
you tried.
Okay, so just realized I forgot that I wasn't filming this. Got this lamp here. Pretty cool. And then this guy said it wasn't a Batmobile, but I know it is. It says DC Comics on the bottom, so all works. Each of them for £2 a piece. How much for your cassette player? Pound? I'll do that. I'm just gonna keep looking and see if there's anything else.
There's some more stuff coming out.
Okay, brilliant. Thanks. I'll pay for this for now, and I'll keep looking. The little canisters for them.
Oh,
For the bottles.
oh yeah, sparklets. Oh yeah. Cool.
I like them.
I think it's cute, isn't it?
It's cute.
Let's see what that says. It says, oh, perfume bottle. That's cool.
Let me see this. Is this a camera I actually don't have? Imagine that.
I can't. I can't surprise you have. You don't have that camera. Honestly. Oops.
How much for these bits here?
£2.
All right, I'll do that.
Thank you. I don't think it's wrapped with this.
What's that?
Oh, I'm not wrapped yet.
Do I have any more change? I'm out of change. Can you break a $5?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ah, perfect.
Look at him.
You can even go and see make a profit of them. £1 for them if you want them.
£1.
Yeah, don't argue with £1.
It is hard to argue with. Let me see.
But I'm sure some people will.
I'm gonna hold on to them and keep looking. Let's see.
You'll remember that one.
I don't know. I know.
It's so cute.
It's cute, that, it's quality. I mean, could be a collector's item. I've not gone through that box at the back yet.
I don't know, it's rattling, but it might look good on a shelf.
It's cute.
Thank you. Make me an offer on it, it's yours.
£1 on that.
Yeah, you can't argue with that.
So we're up to £2 so far.
Right, we're spending and we're spending.
Yes. That's a big spend.
What else is, what's that black thing?
Oh, my dad used to have one of those. Oh, it's like a,
Is it a CB radio?
no.
Radio electric timer cassette recorder.
I don't like a CB radio.
You'll go into them.
We shrink them. We don't try.
Radio class on off.
Yeah, there's a big bag of if you get into the pimping game, then they might be alright for you.
Oh, it's an alarm clock. That's what it is.
No. I was asking a £5 and right, I was put the well, I mean, if you really want it, thank you anyway.
What about this thing?
spotted the old. Has it got a tape player with it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. God.
It's just that the play button doesn't have any resistance. It just goes straight down. So I'm not sure if it works, but
Just give me 7.
7. Let me see. Let me think on this one. I'm just worried about the play button.
If I say £5, is it going to make you think any better?
Well, for all of it.
Yeah, you can't argue with that.
Yeah, it's worth a go for that.
It is worth a go.
Yeah.
Because some of them are really collectible. Some of the old stereo equipment now, believe it or not, it's just on eBay. It's going like crazy prices.
Thank you, sir.
I know.
Yeah, it's just that one button.
There's some bargains to be had.
Child, there is.
There is.
Sorry, I'll come over there.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you break a tenner then?
Yes. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How much are the DVDs?
What have you got?
I'm down to less than a tenner, but I still don't feel like I have like
I know, it's like,
good stuff.
look at that little itty bitty bitch girl.
I'll meet you over there in a second.
Where's your bag for?
Bag.
Money bag.
Give it you.
This one.
How much for your camera?
£5.
It's a bag with change in just a few bits. There it is. It's all the instructions.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, all the instructions are there. There's a battery thing there. That charges it.
Okay. I guess I'll figure it out with the
Yeah,
instructions then.
it's all there anyway. There's all the instructions there.
Let me see what I've got left. This is my last aisle here. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Yeah.
Check out this one. I'm gonna get it. Here we go. Thanks.